Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to make your Roku TV experience even more convenient by showing you how to set the sleep timer. Whether you're watching late night shows or just need to drift off to sleep without worrying about turning off the TV, the sleep timer has got you covered. Let's get started. First, grab your Roku remote and turn on your Roku TV. Step 1. Open the settings menu. From the Roku home screen, scroll down to find the settings option. Once you're there, press OK on your remote. Step 2. Access the sleep timer option. Within Settings, look for System. Under System, scroll down until you find Time. Now, select Sleep Timer. Step 3. Set the desired time. Here, you can choose the duration you want before your Roku TV automatically powers off. Options typically range from 30 minutes to 3 hours. Highlight your choice and press OK. Pro tip. Here's a pro tip. You can also quickly set a sleep timer while watching something. Just press the star button on your Roku remote, scroll down to Sleep Timer, and select the duration. Simple as that. Conclusion. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can enjoy your Roku TV without worrying about staying awake to turn it off. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.